Gangachi nước mắm is perfectly balanced between sweet, savory, and tangy, and this will be the last fish sauce wing recipe you'll ever need.
And I tested recipes of the internet so you don't have to. Today we're making Feed the Pudge's fish sauce wings. Let's go.
Alright y'all, remember to wash your hands.
A, B, C, D, E, F.
First step is brining our wings overnight in water, garlic, and salt.
Here's one I prepared earlier.
Coat with cornstarch, baking powder, and a pinch of salt.
Corn flour, baking powder, and a pinch of salt.
The wings are going on a cooling rack in the fridge for half an hour.
Nice rack, dude. I've got the same one. Those were chicken pop sound effects, in case you were wondering.
Our wet batter is just rice flour, cornstarch, salt.
Rice flour, corn flour, salt.
And the secret to the crispiest and lightest wings is cold club soda.
I had to Google club soda. Turns out it's a real thing.
Then we'll double fry these just for good measure.
Fry them once, twice, 3 times will be too many times.
Our fish sauce glaze is just oil, some green onions, a little bit of minced garlic, fish sauce, sugar, a splash of water, Thai chilies, and a squeeze of lime.
Kiss all the things he said, going in my pack, going in my pack, going in my pack. Oh, cuck, I burnt it. Take 2, much better.
Let that reduce, and then we'll toss our wings, and we'll hit that with green onions and cilantro.
Not only are these the best wings I've ever made, these might be the very best wings that I have ever tried. It's crunchy, it's salty, it's tangy, it is beautiful. Shout out to Feed the Pudge. I've made several of his recipes and I highly recommend them. Finger licking good. Okay, love you, bye.